Hi everyone, I'm Nandini Sar. I'm working as an associate technical consultant at GlideFast. Today I would like to walk you through how to configure KB contextual search. Let me show you in a real-time scenario. So I will be opening a portal. Let me open a catalog. Yeah. So this is this one is open. So basically, this is the catalog. Here are two variables requested for and business justification. So in case if I'm typing anything here, so it should auto-populate the KB knowledge base related to this keyword. This is what we are trying to achieve it. So it's an inbuilt functionality. We have to just configure it for our catalog. So let's see how we can achieve it. So there are 4 steps to achieve this. So first one is to create a record producer. So we'll go step by step. We'll create a record producer. So let's create a new record producer. So we have to create variables, right? So there are 2 variables we have to create. We have to give exactly the same name. This is inbuilt. So we have to create these 2 variables. Apart from this, we will be taking few inputs from the user. Let's take an example of this catalog. We'll be creating the same one. We'll keep these 2 variable also, and apart from these two for the contextual search. Okay, we can go ahead and start creating a record producer. Let's give a name. Sample record producer. Yeah. So I want it to store an incident. Let's save it. Yeah. So let's first add it in catalog so that it will be visible on the portal side. So I'm selecting service catalog. And then, okay, let's select the category also. Yeah, this one. Yeah, it is still loading. Yeah, it's loaded. So the next step is to create variable. So we will be creating first reference like requested for. It's a reference type. So what we are trying to do is like whoever will be the logged in user, their name will be auto populated. Okay. So let's do it. We'll take this type as a reference. Yeah. Question will be requested for. Yeah. So here reference, we'll reference it to this user table because all user records are present over there. So I'm giving a default value so that it will auto populate. So after this, we have to create one more field variable, business justification. So let's do that. Yeah. So I'm going to take a type of single line text. Yeah. And the order will be 200 because I want it to be second variable. And then here question. Let's keep business justification. So I'm removing this because it's not required. Yeah, apart from this, everything is fine. Let's do insert and save. Yeah, so our next variable will be these 2 variables for KB contextual search, right? So let's go how we have to do it. So the contextual search result, we have to keep type as a custom. Let's get back here, give type custom. Here we have to copy the same name, contextual search results. And same here. Yeah. So apart from that, type specification macro cxs underscore rp underscore search. So this is inbuilt functionality. Just we are trying to configure it. So let me select from here. Okay, does require a little bit more. Yeah, and then the widget will be contextual search inline result. Okay, widget will go here, contextual. Yeah, apart from this, there is nothing here. Yeah, everything is done. Then insert and step. Then our next variable will be AI search result. It's the same custom type of variable. Yeah. Okay, I forgot to change the order. Let's change for the last one. We'll come back and change for contextual search. So the name will be AI search assist. There is no need of macro here. Only in with type specification, we have to mention widget AI search assist. Okay. So here we'll go back here, widget AI search assist. This is done. There's nothing here. Yeah. So insert and step. We will again open our cat Flipkart producer. Yeah. So we'll give this one as a 300 order. Let us save and then cross verify. Yeah. So this is done. We'll just do a try it. Okay. So requested for it is showing Nandini Sai because right now Nandini Sai is logged in. So it is showing Nandini Sai and business justification. If we type now, nothing will come here, right? Yeah. So till second step we have done. The third step is to configure the record producer. So for that, what we have to do, there are steps. We have to navigate to contextual search, record producer configuration. So let's type here contextual search. Under this, record producer configuration. Close other tab. And after that, create new record. And then we have to fill 3 variables, fields. Okay. So we have to create a new record. So there are 3 fields. First one is record producer, second is search context, and third is select variable. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so record producer, whatever record producer we have created, where we want this contextual search to be placed on. So we have to select our record producer. So this is my record producer name. Search context. In which field? No, yeah. So search context, what kind of context you want it to be show there, right? So we are trying to achieve KB contextual search, right? So we are gonna head and select knowledge based search. Okay. Because when we try to write something in business justification field, we want knowledge based search should come over there. This what kind of context you want. Okay, that we need to select it, which variable. So of course in business justification the other variable is already auto populating the logged in user. Yeah, so let's save it. This is third step is done. So now the fourth step is to test it out, right? So we have to log into the portal. So let me show how it will look. So when we log into the portal and we type anything related to that, some related KV articles, it will populate. Okay. So let's get back. Okay. So this is already saved. So we have to open the portal. So for quick, we have to just copy the URL, keep SP and open it. Okay. Let's search our record producer. Yeah, here is our record producer. So since none is the logged in user, so this is auto populating. Let's keep our name. Okay. So see, we keep a keyword email, and this is what it is showing. Like everything related to email, whatever KB knowledge base is present on the system right now. So it is populated. So basically the use of this one is like to minimize the number of requests. Suppose if I have any issue related to email or phone number or anything, so if I have a catalog with this configuration, once I type it, I can go ahead and check it. Maybe my issue will be related to here, the listed out, so I can just go ahead and open it and check it out, right? So it will minimize the number of requests. This is how it looks like. It's the same what we got in our instance. Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you.